Hi everyone, our first poem for this week is Butterflies, to the tune of The Ants Go Marching. Butterflies lay eggs on leaves, hurrah, hurrah. Caterpillars will hatch next, hurrah, hurrah. The caterpillars make a change, they may look really strange. Then a butterfly comes out and flies away. Bye, bye, bye. The next one is 10, to the tune of She'll Be Coming Round the Mountain. T-E-N spells 10, T-E-N. T-E-N spells 10, T-E-N. I see smiles on every face, this is such a happy place. Turn around, jump up and down for number 10. T-E-N spells 10, T-E-N. T-E-N spells 10, T-E-N. Number 10 is so much fun. Thanks for counting one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10. Thanks, guys.